Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to download and install Hyper-V. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's a step-by-step guide to download and install Hyper-V. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the requirements. Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. 64-bit processor with second-level address translation, SLAT. Minimum of 4 GB memory. Virtualization support turned on in the BIOS or UEFI. To check for Hyper-V requirements, open Windows PowerShell or a command prompt and type. Scroll to the Hyper-V requirements section to review the report. If you run system info on an existing Hyper-V host, the Hyper-V requirements section reads, Hyper-V requirements, a hypervisor has been detected. Features required for Hyper-V will not be displayed. Enable Hyper-V. Using Control Panel, press Windows key +R, type, and press Enter. Select Turn Windows features on or off. Check the box next to Hyper-V and click OK. Restart your computer. Now you can open Hyper-V Manager from the Start menu. That's it. You should now have Hyper-V installed and ready to use. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.